We're here at Merida International Airport. This is a New York KONE elevator. Wow, I like those fixtures. Look at that fixture. It's already here. Up and down. Oh my, that's weird. It has a weird door. Go to one. Door closed but works. One opens up over here. PB. Get a cab view. Here are the fixtures. Here are PB. Emma Robinson. This is a New York KONE elevator. There it goes, and that's it.
Alright, this is the elevator here at Merida International Airport in Merida, Mexico. And there was a KONE Ecodisc elevator somewhere over there. And everything is moved now. So we got the escalator, the man-powered elevator. So about 3 years later, this elevator was moved here. So we got a TKE now, and then so in case you're wondering, everything over there is now the check-in area and all that. So yeah, we now have a TKE, which replaced the original KONE elevator that was somewhere in the middle. It was somewhere in the middle, but but during the renovations, it got moved here, and we have a 2-speed door. So anyways, here we go. So yeah, as you can see, since last time I was here, we do now have both ThyssenKrupp escalators. And here it is. We're gonna take a look at this. So I'm just gonna point this down in case if there's somebody on it. No, there isn't. So yeah, around 2015 is when I remember filming the KONE elevator that used to be here. So you can go check that video out. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Here at 1, which opens up right there, which is now the way to the departures, which is now the way to the lounge area. We're gonna go down to PB. Really like these new fixtures. All right, I think this was installed in 2021. Your nice ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here are your fixtures and the indicator here at PB. Alright, well, I do like the kind of changes though, so. Alright, anyways, this elevator runs great, so there it goes. And that's it.